Magandang hapon po ng August 26, 2025 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 26, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, August 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Tuesday, August 26, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, August 26, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 26, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.